right, guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex Audio Tech. We're gonna be unboxing this. I can't even pronounce the name, guys. And me being dyslexic, it makes it even worse. So let me just spell it out.
OHAYO. OHAYO.
OHAYO S6. Okay, the OHAYO S6. It is IPX7, sorry, waterproof. It has bass, and it's 30 watts of raw power. So this is a very portable speaker. So let's see. Let's get this open and see what it sounds like. It is heavy, though. I will say that. It is heavy. Here you see it's IPX7 waterproof, USB Type-C port, bass switch. It said, oh, my bad, 40 watts of high res sound, 360 sound. Bluetooth 5.3, 6,600 milliamp battery. What else we got back here? Waterproof. Okay, so let's get this thing open. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so you open it this way. And since I don't got time to fight with that little sticker, we're gonna pull out Excalibur, my trusty unboxing knife. Boom. And Excalibur gets the job done. So, boom. Here we go. Here goes the speaker in its full glory. We got the user guide. Nobody really cares about the user guide. And of course, right here we got the charger. I'm gonna open that up. Woo! Goes like this. So here we goes the bass button. It's kind of faded, but it's okay. The power button. Let's power this thing on.
Bluetooth.
It says Bluetooth. Now let's connect to it, baby. Let's connect to it. Oh, say, okay, so you're gonna find it under Bluetooth under S6.
Bluetooth is connected.
There you go. Now let's play some non-copyrighted music. Some non-copyrighted music. I don't know, guys. I just like saying that. Okay, here we go. Here you go, YouTube. See? Non-copyrighted music. But it's not that one. It's the one that I like that has bass on it right here. Non-copyrighted music.
The perfect meal starts and ends with spotless glassware, sparkling dishes, and silverware that gleams.
Hey, rewind it. This is like at 30% right now, guys. Halfway. Now let's turn it all the way up. Let's crank it. Pinned down in the comment section down below will be the affiliate link. It does cost $70. It is portable. And it does have a lot of bass. And it sounds clear too. I will say this. It is really loud for a small speaker. It is really portable. It has a little strap. Strap it onto your book bag. Nice. It is IPX7 waterproof. And I'm sorry, I forgot to show you guys the port back here. So it does support micro SD card. I mean, not micro SD card. You know, the big card. Or I think, is that micro SD? It says FT file. Okay, so FT. It does support the aux, and it has USB Type-C to charge it, as you guys can see. And I guess the subwoofer is in the back of the speakers right here. Well, whatever. Yeah, this has like a little for the bass. So it is a nice sounding speaker. And with the bass, the little box can't hold it up. It has a lot of bass for a little speaker. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Tells you the bars of battery right here. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. Nice, man. To sync it with other speakers, the power button, the bass button. Turn off the bass. I turned off the bass. That's why it looks like that. So with the bass turned off and everything, guys, and it still projects great bass. It still projects great bass. Now it is $70. It is that. I mean, that's the price of it. It was on sale when I bought it yesterday. It had 50% off, but I guess they had that only for like, oh yeah, it still has 50% off, my bad. So the affiliate link will be provided in the comment section down below. You see $69.99 right now, it's 50% off. And you don't even got to be an Amazon Prime member to get it for 60% off. 15-hour battery life. So with the 50% off that you're going to pay $37 like I did, see 50% off coupon, it's definitely worth it, because you're going to pay $37 for a little $70 speaker that projects hard with the sounds clear, and I'm pretty sure on copyrighted music it would sound even louder. But we all know I can't play copyrighted music for copyright reasons on YouTube, so I don't want to beef with YouTube. So as you guys seen, it is 50% off. The affiliate link will be provided down below in the comment section, pinned down below. So if you have any questions, let me know what you think about it. You know, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, guys, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, and all the new viewers. Appreciate you guys. Keep supporting your boy Alex Audio Tech, and I'm gonna keep pushing out this content, guys. So yeah, guys. A great little speaker, travel size. Sorry, the dog here. Travel size. I like this little mesh. I like this little hook where you could carry it, you know. So yeah, a great looking little speaker. And right now, 50% off is a hell of a deal. So grab one. So yeah, guys, I definitely going to catch you guys on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. You all ready? And thank you for watching.